Okay, so Maria and Rappler just filed their counter affidavit with the public prosecutor. Essentially, we presented the facts as and also the law. We did not even have to argue because we believe the case is pretty straightforward. The company simply did the fundraising way back in 2015 by issuing the PDRs, and lo and behold, surprisingly, okay, the government this time is questioning the very same transaction that has been made even way back prior to 2015. So we presented, we said there was no tax evasion, there was no intent to avoid the tax. Everything was disclosed, not just to the financial statements, to the SEC. And definitely there is no way the company could be considered to be a dealer in securities, which is essentially the basis why the BIR treated the transaction to be a buy and sale of security allegedly subject to taxes. Maria?
I appeal to the men and women of BIR, the Bureau of Internal Revenue, to investigate before they file criminal charges. I mean, before they take me to court. It's obviously clear that, at least on my end, I am a citizen in good standing, a journalist with decades of experience, and by filing these charges before they investigate, and let me say that, by filing the charges before any investigation, they violated my constitutional rights. They asked for our books 3 days before they filed the charges. This is another instance where you have a case of political harassment because we're journalists trying to do our jobs. I appeal again to the BIR. Their job is to investigate before filing charges. Now that we're here, you can see from what Eric has told you that the legality of this claim, this charge, is absolutely false. I've called it ludicrous, I've called it ridiculous, I've said that it shows ill intent of intimidation and harassment, or just plain incompetence. So again, I think there are good men and women in the BIR. I certainly believe that's the case in the Department of Justice. I appeal to their sense of upholding the Constitution and letting journalists do their jobs.